Hi everyone, this is the iPad mini 5 space gray variant which I have been using from past 5-6 months, and today in this video let's talk about its performance, and let's find out whether you should buy an iPad mini 5 in 2020 or not. Now, as all of you must be knowing that iPad Air has been released, and it is the most value for money product in the market right now. But still I thought to do a review on this iPad mini 5 based on my usage. So today I will share my experience. So after watching this video, you will be able to decide on your own whether you should go for an iPad mini or iPad Air or any other models. So watch the video till the end. So friends, now let's talk about the design and build quality. As you can see, this is the back of the iPad, and here is the Apple logo in the center. Here it is written iPad. Okay, and in the back you get an 8 megapixel 1080p full HD camera, and in the back you get a microphone, and also you have two microphones actually for your FaceTime calls and all. That's it. And in the top you get a power button with the 3.5 mm headphone jack, and in the front you have a 7 megapixel HD FaceTime camera, and you get a physical home button over here as you can see. And in the right side you get the volume rockers, but in the left side we don't have any buttons. So in terms of design and build quality, it feels solid in hand, and it is so compact. You can see I can hold this in one hand. Let's talk about the display and the display quality. So this has a 7.9-inch retina display with which supports True Tone, and it comes with a laminated display. It has a 326 ppi, and the max brightness up to 500 nits. So the outdoor and indoor visibility is very good. You will not have any issues with the display quality. The colors look sharper, and the display quality is very good. So just for a sample, just watch this video.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. Finding life along the way,
Now let's talk about the performance. So in the iPad mini you get the A12 Bionic chip inside, which you are getting in iPhone 10R, iPhone 10s and 10s Max. It is a pretty capable chip, and it handles my day-to-day task superb, and I never faced any kind of lag or stutters in my usage at least. And I do generally video editing, and I play lots of game like this Call of Duty and War Robots. So I play those games. Also I play sometime Among Us, as you can see. So in terms of performance, I never felt it is getting slow down. So to get a better understanding on the performance and gameplay, I have played just this Call of Duty mobile in this iPad mini in high graphics and high frame rate. Just watch this, and you will be able to get an idea of the gameplay.
Reloading! Cover me!
Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted. Hostile hunter-killer drone inbound.
So overall the gaming performance was good and there is no lag or frame drops I noticed while playing the game. So by seeing this I can say it can handle pretty much all the game you put in it. Now another major thing is you can edit 4K videos. I generally edit my videos in iMovies in iPad and it handles all the video editing, exporting, rendering smoothly. So if you want a compact device which can handle your video editing task, then the iPad mini will be the best option for you. The video you are watching right now is completely edited in this iPad mini. So friends, now let's talk about the most important thing. How is the battery life in iPad mini 5? So to tell you that, first I will show you my battery usage. So as you can see, on a daily basis I used almost 6 to 7 hours and it consumed 70 to 75%. So if you sum up that, then you will get most probably 8 to 10 hours. So in my usage I get 8 to 10 hours of battery backup in my iPad mini. And I use my iPad daily for some or the other things. And as you can see, yesterday's battery statistics, I used almost 4 hours and it consumed say almost 70%. And on Monday I used almost 3.5 hours and it consumed almost 40%. And if you see on Sunday I used almost 7 hours and it consumed 70%. So to conclude all the things, I would say the battery life in iPad mini is pretty good, and without any issue you will get 8 to 10 hours of usage in a single charge. And the iPad mini comes with a 10 watt adapter. As you can see here, this is the 10 watt adapter. So if you want to charge it, it doesn't do fast charging, but it takes a lot of time. In my testing, I found it took almost 2.5 hours to charge from 10 to 100%. So based on that, if you want a fast charger, you can buy it separately. And if you are playing games and you charged your iPad till 100% and you started playing games, so on a continuous base you will get 4 to 5 hours of screen on time while you are gaming. That is also pretty good. It is not like iPad Pro or iPad Air. Generally those things give you 6 hours of gaming time on a single charge, but in iPad mini you will get 4 to 5 hours of gaming time if you charge your iPad to 100%. Apart from that, I don't have any issue with regards to the battery life in my 5-6 month of usage. So definitely the battery backup is very good in iPad mini. That's all I have to say about the battery life in iPad mini. Now let's do a quick speaker test, and after that you will get an idea how the speaker output if you are consuming media or you are playing game. So just listen this and you will get an idea of the speaker quality in iPad mini.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played.
So as you heard, this is the speaker output coming from the iPad mini 5. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about the speaker output in iPad mini 5. So friends, now let's talk about the camera quality in iPad mini 5. It has that 8 megapixel rear camera which can shoot videos up to 1080p, and I will put some samples taken from this iPad mini in outdoor condition as well as in indoor conditions. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about the camera quality in iPad mini 5.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played.
Mini 5 is an excellent device. Now, if you want a iPad with compact size with all the new features of iPadOS 14 using the power of A12 Bionic chip, then this is the best choice for you. It is sold at 33K in India. I'll put the link in the description below. Go check it out. As always, thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed, then please subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Also, if you enjoyed, then hit the like button. Thank you. So friends, iPad Air 4 unboxing and review video is coming soon. So stay tuned for that.